This is just a short little video for my record, really. Um, I mean, if it can help somebody else out, that's great as well. But this is an IBM Selectric. Found it in the thrift store, and immediately there's a few things wrong. The motor was stuck. I just revolving it a bit. It was able to catch on the belt, and so now the motor works and everything like that. I'm just gonna take this off real quick. So obviously that's not supposed to happen, but that is the issue that I was having. And to fix that, well, obviously my fix didn't work entirely, but what's causing that issue is this here. This little, here, let me balance this with my, I can't balance it on my forehead. Okay, let me get a screwdriver in my hand, hold the thing up with my pinky. Okay, this, so it was repeating itself, right? It's supposed to come back up, and then it latches. It's hard to see, but there's a little latch right here. I'm moving on it. It's behind this. And once it latches there, it doesn't type anymore. So we can see it in motion. That's what it's supposed to do. Obviously, it decided to do what it was doing before. Of course, when I take the video. But at least I know what the problem is, for record. So that comes down, and then it's supposed to fire back up by this black bar, I think. So, but it doesn't fire all the way back up. It's supposed to latch back up here. Sorry, it's supposed to latch. So when it goes down, it's not latching. Not latching on this bar. It was just working pretty reliably. And then I think the reason they did this was, so if you see how it's stepped, like there's this step here, these little feet, this one, and then this one. This one pushes it down far enough where it can repeat itself. It can do its cycle over and over again. Which is a cool feature if this wasn't completely gummed up with grease. But so that just messing with this for a little while, pushing it up, and you can also just go down here, and it's gonna be hard to hold the camera like this, but you can also just do this. That'll click it, and you'll hear it click, and then it'll stop. Let's see if we can. Okay, but here, let's get a video of that. That's what's supposed to happen. This is what it looks like when it's not working well. If you're not holding down the spacebar when you're just trying to space like normal. A few things just to note that I thought were interesting was you can hold this way, and since the key isn't down, or it didn't latch down, it's like a really quick latch. It latches down, and then this fires, and then it fires it back up. But it is latching up here again. So it's like it's really quick. But once it latches, it fires this. I wonder if it fires it right after. Like, can I do it at once? Like, do you think that's right behind it? Yeah, I think so. So this goes down. Once that goes down, it triggers something. I can't tell which one it's pushing on. I think it's pushing on this. And then, well, it's pushing on both. Oh, no, there's a bar in the back. There's a bar back there that it's pushing on. And that somehow either activates this or this. I'm going to say this. Which then activates this, pushes it back up, unlatches it from here, clicks up, and then you can type again. what else? There was this. I think this is the hub. I'm not sure. There's a guy, a Phoenix typewriter on YouTube. Probably should watch him instead of me. Let's see. Hope you like being motion sick. Okay. This was turned down, and I turned it this way, and now it suddenly works again. Well, it could be. Well, okay, so that stopped working. Let's try it again. Okay, well, my fix lasted about 5 minutes, but I think there's something going on here, because this like resets the key, and this turns, hitting this so that this goes up, and once that goes up, the key is reset, I think. I don't like touching this because I don't want to get my fingers destroyed, but I think, let's try this. I'm sure that there's a better way to do this, but I don't really care because this was cheap. Yep, okay, I don't know. I'll have to look at it later. But that's just for the space bar. There was something else. Let's check it out. So these are the little panels. This was in the case. I don't know where it goes, but if someone knows what that, someone that knows where that is, I would appreciate it. Knows where that goes, I would appreciate knowing. Okay, that's all. It's a neat machine. These things are really well designed. Like stupidly complex. I don't know the first thing how this works. I know that it's somehow converting just this into a rotational force to pick a letter. Like, it's pretty impressive. I know that there's like a clutch here. I don't know. It's just fun to mess with. I highly recommend getting one. Alright. That's all.